Which points are on the graph of the equation 3x plus 6y plus 5 equals -7? The first thing I'm going to do is solve this equation for y, so that it's in y equals mx plus b form. So I have 6y equals, I'm going to subtract 5 to the other side, and I'm going to subtract 3x to the other side. So we get -3x minus 12. We're going to divide each term by 6, giving us y equals -1/2 x minus 2. Now I'm going to plug in all of the x values and see which y values are correct. So if we plug -3 in here, we're going to get 3/2, so the negative signs will cancel, giving us 3/2 minus 2. 1.5 minus 2 is -1/2, which is not the y value here, therefore 1 is not a point on the line. All right, next we have -2. If I plug -2 in, I get that this is 1. So -1/2 times -2 is 1, minus 2, -1. That's not the y value, therefore this point is not on the line. Next, I have 0. If I plug in 0 for x, that goes away and I get -2. And that is the y coordinate, therefore this point is on the line. All right, here, if I plug in 6, so -1/2 times 6 minus 2. This is -3 minus 2 is -5. That is not the y coordinate. It's not on the line. Finally, we have 8. So -1/2 times 8 minus 2. That's -4 minus 2 is -6. That is the y coordinate. Therefore, the answer is points 3 and 5, C.